What is good, everyone? Back with another trade recap. Um, Today I'm down 200 on all 10 accounts. I'm fighting to be alive in drawdown over here. I'm at 1100 drawdown. I've been in drawdown like the whole time I've had these accounts. I've had these accounts around a month. I honestly don't know exactly how long, but yeah, let's get into the actual numbers first. So, I mean, if you know me, if you've been watching my YouTube videos, I never trade ES, but today was a day that I traded ES, and I, I don't know, I just, usually I think ES has a little cleaner price action, or it's just less wiki, and that's kind of what I wanted. So, yeah, so I took my first trade on ES, and I lost. I was down like 600 on the day. And then I was like, bro, why am I trading ES? By the way, look at this absolute top tick and bottom tick. You would never be able to do that, but yeah, BE there, small win, and then we'll get to this win later. But yeah, basically coming into the day, um, so yeah, coming into the day, we had highs and lows, and it was just a matter of which one we wanted to go towards. So we open up. This is a low right here. This is an hourly low right there. So we open up. Boom. We create first 1 minute FEG right here. Price is just bouncing back and forth right now, and then we instantly take this liquidity. What's 5 minute looking like? 5 minute. No FEG yet. This one's gonna close. 15 minute looking like we might have an FEG to react off of and go lower, or inverse and go higher. So we'll see about that. Okay, boom, here we go. We get a strong reaction off that 1 minute FEG. The first 1 minute FEG is usually a very like important FEG to go off of. Yeah, so no 5 minute. We just kind of took liquidity, and we're just kind of playing around right now. So boom, here we get a close above the first 1 minute FEG. 5 minute looks like we might have just swept this low, and we might be going higher. I honestly did really like that. I wanted to get in here, but I wanted us to close. I saw this reaction off this FEG, and I didn't like it, so I wanted to wait. And then 7 a.m. comes out. It was news, but I mean also it was a big candle. And now looking back at it, this was honestly probably the best entry to go along. And maybe you put your stop 87 or like right there, and you just target the whole highs for 230. But you literally could have went break even after like 4 minutes, and you would have been good. But I didn't take it. 5 minute we created this FEG, the first one, but we're definitely looking bullish. Is definitely looking like a sweep of liquidity, inverse 1 minute FEG, and even news is going in the same direction. I'm pretty sure this was my first loss. Yeah, that was my first loss. I got in long literally at the tick, and I instantly got stopped out. This, I mean, that was a loss, because I mean at that point I'm honestly just chasing and FOMOing. That's, yeah, like that's not an actual good entry. Like there's no pullback that I'm getting into. Like it didn't come tap anything like that. I'm literally just basically getting in and praying. But this was my second entry that I got in, that I actually went break even on this one. Break even, which was a good break even. And then I let price marinate for a little bit. I didn't really do anything. And we end up tapping the 5 minute and tapping that 1 minute perfectly. It tapped the 1 minute perfectly and the 7 a.m. open perfectly. I know some people trade like that. And yeah, we went straight for those highs. And then right here it starts to slow down a little bit, and I see this kind of like bearish structure, and then I see this candle, and I see it come up. It takes these highs out, and once I see this candle closing down, I already like I've seen this before. Like, I already know it's gonna go lower after that. This is just like trading discretion. And I got in. I instantly took like 4. I got in with 5. I instantly took like 4 off, and then I had like one more runner. But bro, it ended up running fat, bro, like crazy fat. From my entry, bro, that's like, bro, 270 handles. That's actually crazy. But yeah, other than that, I mean, that was basically it. So yeah, I was down like 600. I took this very small scalp, and I made what was that, like 350. So I'm down 200 on the day, which is a lot better than 650. I'll take that any day. Probably never gonna trade on ES ever again. but yeah. So that's pretty much it. The daily, I mean, we have just been so crazy volatile these past few days. Gold actually bounced back a little bit, but you know, everything is kind of going down right now. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. This week had a good amount of news, but let's see next week. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, no news again, just like this week. And then Wednesday, FOMC, crazy day. And then Thursday, nothing. And then Friday, Juneteenth, right? So honestly, next week might be... I mean, this week, Monday, Tuesday, there was no news. But I mean, the volatility is still crazy. And then Wednesday, 11 a.m., bro, like literally every candle's gonna be 100 handles. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm for sure guaranteed I'll end it down this week. This week I started with like 1800 drawdown, and now I'm at 1100, so I'm still down. Bro, I've been fighting in drawdown for like 2-3 weeks now, or like the whole time I've had these accounts I've been in drawdown, literally. But it's fine. Once I get a couple of days, once I get good trading days and a little luck on my side, we're gonna be profitable. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanna make like maybe a back testing video this week. You guys will probably like that. Just like my discretion and strategy. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.